Good morning, students. Today we will start the first chapter of grammar, tenses. So first of all, definition of tense. Tense is a form of verb that indicates the time or a state of an action and event. Tense is a category that expresses time references. Next is tenses are shown by using different forms of verb. You might have read in the previous classes first form, second form, third form. So these different forms of verbs are used according to the action done. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus. So these few points are to understand what a tense is. Now the classification of tenses. Tenses are further classified into four categories on the basis of state of action, means when the action is done. Simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. So these are the classification of tenses. Apart from that, the types of tenses are also important. The types of tense, present tense. Present tense shows the verb refers to present time, means the action is done in the present time. See the example, I write the letter, means this action is of present time. So the first form of verb is used. Similar to that, when we talk about the past tense, so here the verb refer to past tense. This is what in the definition we have read about the different forms of verb. So for the past tense we use the second form of verb, like I wrote the letter. See, in the present the first form write is used, in the past the second form wrote is used. And in the future tense, it shows that the action will be done in future, means neither in present nor in past. So here we use will and shall with the base form of verb. So I shall write the letter. It means the letter will be written in future, now not in present, neither in past. So these are the types of the tenses: present tense, past tense and the future tense. So now again we will come to the previous, the types of present tense. In the types of the present tense, first of all the simple present tense. Simple present tense, here it the simple form simply states an action, means it does not say anything whether the action is complete or not complete. Like I eat, example they have given, I eat. So it is showing that this action is of present tense. It is not saying that whether the action it is complete or incomplete. We don't know about it. So here simple, we see, I see the example I eat. Here the subject plus base form of the verb is used. So further I'll after this video I'll send you the formulas, like which formulas used for framing the sentences. Next is the present continuous tense. The present continuous forms indicates that the action is in progress. It is still going on, means it is in continuation. See the example they have given, same example. Now I eat shows the simple present. I am eating, it means it is it is in continuation, means the action is being done. So the base form plus ing. Present perfect tense, the perfect form indicates that the action has been completed or perfected. So here subject plus has or have plus third form of verb is used. Here I have eaten. Next is present perfect continuous. tense, the last of the present form. Here it shows that the action which begins sometime before is still continuing. Means here the time factor is also added. Means the action has been completed in past and still it is continuing. So these are the 4 types of the present tenses. But we will study one by one. So after watching this video, I'll send you, as I said, I'll send you the details of the simple present tense.